Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to allow install apps from unknown sources on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings of your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. What you have to do is find the option for apps. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the apps interface. You'll be able to find the app settings over here. Under the section for general, you'll be able to find the options like default apps, screen time, etc. Simply find the option for special app access. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the special app access interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Out of these options, what you have to do is find the option for install unknown apps. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several sources over here. If you do not see the particular source you're searching for, you can also search for it by simply tapping on the search icon that you can see right over here. But if you find that unknown source over here, what you have to do is tap on that particular source. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, installing the application from this source is not allowed. So if you want to allow this source to install the app, what you have to do is toggle on this button that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be allowed to install the applications from this source on Android. So that is how you allow install apps from unknown source on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.